In this video, we are going to set up and simplify the difference quotient for the following family of functions. So let's get started. So in this first problem, we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. So just a reminder, that difference quotient looks like f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So for us, our f value, let's first just compute what f of x plus h looks like. So that means into that input of f, so where I saw x here, I'm going to input x plus h. So that'll look like 3 times x plus h plus 2. And then f of x, this next part of the difference quotient we have here, so I don't need to compute it. So let's go ahead and set up that difference quotient. So that difference quotient for us will look like 3x plus h plus 2 minus, and I'm going to use a lot of parentheses because I want to make sure that we include that negative for all of that f of x term. I'm going to set up some parentheses there. So in my parentheses, I'll just close it here. I'm just going to insert that f of x. So I'm going to have 3x plus 2 all over h. So now let's go ahead and simplify, which means I want to expand out this numerator as much as I can and cancel. So let's go ahead and expand this out. And by that, I mean multiply out this 3 by x plus h and include this negative in my f of x terms. So that's going to look like 3x plus 3h plus 2 minus 3x minus 2. So that's why I included those parentheses here. So that negative included into both terms that I have over h. So now what in the numerator can simplify or cancel? Well, I see I have a negative 3x and a positive 3x, so those cancel or subtract out to 0. And then I also have a plus 2 and a negative 2, so those two terms also cancel. So what am I left with but 3h over h? And now we see that the h in the numerator cancels with the h in the denominator. So all I have left is 3. So our final answer here is